don't see the title already still, so you don't know, say it's a little baby. You know, so we are on the site where we see that video, yeah, they must say it's a 14-year-old girl. And mother and thing, you don't know. It's a little pitney that have pitney, so you can't expect no better. But me, I wonder what fear parents there. Yeah, or the pitney should have done some homes or somebody should have adapt him already for. No 14-year-old can't take care of no pitney. For a 14-year-old can't take care of himself, much less if he start take care of pitney. I'm glad to them find him before dark or something, man. I don't know. The youth are a little girl and thing. I grow up to come be somebody still, you see me? And I just feel if you know, say, yo, I have born company earth and come get that shit like some other youth and thing. But the greatest thing in carrying him still, if I see him baby, I can end up come take care of him. So yo, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe and we'll go check out the video. But first, we're taking the intro from Ashabash. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Somebody gonna call police already. You know how to touch it. Jesus Christ! Them are the people that wicked, man. Yeah, the boys say, big up all call police. The baby, officer, see baby, officer. God, them wicked. Yeah, man, somebody gonna call police already. You know how to touch it. Jesus Christ! Them are the people that wicked, man. Yeah, the boys say, big up all call police. Somebody gonna call police already. You know how to touch it. Jesus Christ! Them are the people that wicked, man. Yeah, the boys say, big up all call police. The baby, officer, see baby, officer. God, them wicked. Yeah, man, somebody gonna call police already.
Yeah, man, just the sound of the baby I cry, man, touch it to your heart, man. You can't know say a good while in dead, you know. Either I'm hungry or something, man, you know say you're in there at a spot where you're not supposed to be. I'm out, big up.